Optegra, we're the eye healthcare experts. We're the #1 trusted company that delivers eye healthcare in the UK. And tonight's really special for us and the company because it's the launch of our new Central London hospital, which will be open to patients in January. There are lots of people that do eye healthcare, but across lots of different sites, making it very difficult for the patient. We're going to be in one site, one place, with absolute best state-of-the-art equipment. I hope from tonight we can take away with a knowledge of some of our referring community. We don't expect them to refer their patients to us without knowing more about us. So this is an opportunity for them to find out more about us and for us to find out more about them and what's important to them and their patients.
I think it'll be a welcome addition to Harley Street. I practice in Harley Street and I would have no hesitation in referring patients should they have any eye problems around to Queen Anne Street. The facilities are very impressive. A lot of thought has gone into it and it's clearly very patient focused, and that is what is the aim of all of us in healthcare.
I don't know much about Optegra, but what I've heard today, the guys or the girls know what they're doing. And I think I'm pleased I came along, and I'll be referring some of my patients along as well.
We already know some of the consultants whose names flashed up on the screen.
I actually had my cataracts done at Optegra in Colindale, and I'm an optometrist and I refer patients there. But I also work in the West End, so it's very useful to have somewhere locally to refer.
I've actually learned a lot in terms of future and what Optegra can do for London and particularly for diabetes, which is something that is close to my heart.
What would I actually give to get back the 2% of vision that I had when I was 18?
Optegra's sort of vision for the importance of eye research is, from my perspective, absolutely brilliant because, well, I'm not going to get my sight back, but I would so much hope that younger people will never have to suffer from the sort of condition I've got.
I just wonder about the things that today's medical students will consider totally separate.
It's really great to be able to see that all the optom community mixing and networking with the ophthalmologist and really getting enthused about what Optegra is all about.
They will find highly experienced and skilled professionals, consultants, nurses, hospital staff, all of them fully specialized in eye healthcare.
It's fantastic to have so many people turn up. I mean, November the 5th, people have got lots of reasons to be at home with their children on a day like tonight. So it's been fantastic to have so many people come out and listen to us today.
I found this evening really inspiring. There was a real buzz about it. People were genuinely excited. Of course, the venue was fabulous, the setting was great, but actually once people got up there and started speaking, they held everybody's attention despite the lure of the fireworks outside. And I think that probably says it all.
Well, from a patient's point of view, it was so interesting because I learned so much more about the things that Optegra is doing and the plans that they have for the future. And I'm just so grateful that to being involved in it all, and I want to say a very big thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
It's been a fantastic project, over £13 million spent on the project to date, and it's just going to be a fantastic state-of-the-art facility.
Our dedicated experts will perform leading-edge ophthalmic procedures.
The opening of Optegra Eye Hospital London is so exciting. The first new hospital to open on Harley Street, and we are absolutely just can't wait for it to be open.
Yeah, we want to be totally reliant on word of mouth referrals. In a perfect world, that's where all our referrals should come from. It's from happy patients telling their friends and families about the experience they've had and talking about it with passion. And for us, that's our key, I guess, marker of success, that we get a lot of our patients through word of mouth referrals.
I think people who were here tonight were astonished. Having heard what Optegra has done in different parts of the country, I think there seems to be a real thirst to grab what it's got to offer in London.